The third thing we have to do is get this country back in the manufacturing business. Hillary is the co-chair of the Bipartisan Manufacturing Caucus, and they have a plan that will bring manufacturing jobs back to America. Don't you believe we can? We should repeal all the provisions of the tax code which encourage people to move jobs overseas and put tax credits in for people who will bring jobs back to places that have been left out and left behind. We should keep our defense manufacturing jobs in America. It's not good for the national security to be outsourcing the national defense. We can do that. The next thing we should do is to get America back in the research business. This administration has declared war on science. They spent too little money and invested too much politics. She wants us to go back to stem cell research, to human genome research, to global warming research, to all these things that will make a difference. And let me say something. Everybody in this audience who is under 25 has a good chance to live to be 100. Now, an exceptional number of you will live to be 100 years old. And I know you're not shouting now, but trust me, the older you get, the better that'll look. But here's the deal. We got about 10 years where we can create more jobs than we know what to do with out of moving to a post-carbon future, making a different energy future. After that, we'll have to have a new source of good new jobs to spark the whole economy. And it will be in biotechnology. Because you don't want to spend the last 25 years of your life with Alzheimer's. You don't want to spend the last 35 years of your life with Parkinson's. You don't want to have your kids come into the world with this epidemic increase in the number of children with autism that no one can yet explain. I mean, it is breathtaking how much this has increased. Hillary is the founding member of the Autism Caucus in the Senate, has put out a great position paper on this. We got to find out what's causing this and figure out how to fix it. It is a huge problem. And we have to do genome research and stem research to do it. Now, I could give you lots of other examples, but this is really important.